school?
Mba.
School has a lot.
Mba.
Eh.
Oh, we're going to
Okay. Mama look one.
Oh, no. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye,
bye.
Okay. I don't want to be there.
Okay.
Sister, what are you doing? What is it now? You want to hurt yourself? It's only Melowegaro. You put your hand in the fire.
The food is burning and I decided to help you.
Let the food burn, sister. It's better the food burns than seeing you hurt yourself.
I hope the food has not completely burnt. Before going for your jam lessons.
Sister, don't worry about me. Okay? I can take care of myself. Yeah? Are you
sure?
Yes, I'm fine. Let it burn. Eh? Come, let's go inside. Oh? Name the joke today. Cham. Yeah, come. You know you're my only sister. Yeah? Name me you my G. Don't worry, don't come and go inside. Don't worry, I'll take care of it, even if it burns. Yeah?
Olisa.
Yeah?
I hope you didn't put too much salt in this soup.
Listen, you know when it comes to cooking pepper soup, I'm the best. So pack well.
Are you sure? Because yesterday's own was too salty.
Yesterday's own was too salty. Okay. So why are you the only person complaining?
Because I'm too observant now.
You are too observant?
Yes, sir.
I know you want to test my pepper soup, but it won't work. Don't worry. Today's own is perfect.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, see. Let me test it.
Ibokwe. If I see your hand anywhere close to this pot of pepper soup, I will cut it off.
Okay. Olisa, see, I want to buy 1 plate of pepper soup. Don't worry, I will pay you tomorrow.
You want to buy 1 plate of pepper soup?
Yes.
You pay me tomorrow?
Yes, I promise I'll pay you tomorrow.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
You'll pay me tomorrow?
Yes.
Alright, no problem. Come back tomorrow.
Is it?
Come back tomorrow. Why are you moping at me? It's simple now. You are sure you will pay me tomorrow. When you come tomorrow now, I'll not sell. Carton head. Simple. I give me small, let me test. Beg, come out straight. You'll be trying to play unnecessary prank.
You have to come back tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow when you have the money.
Hey. Hey. Yes. Hey. Now my sister is the most beautiful girl in the whole village. Did I say village? In the whole world.
You have started teasing me again.
Teasing you? How can I tease you? Don't you know your name? Chibugum. Do you know what Ugo is? Ugo is the most beautiful bird. Yes, that is what you are. You see, with this your beauty, if Olisa sees you, I'm sure he will not let you go. Yes.
Echezola, are you there?
Sister, I'm here. I'm here.
Echezola, don't tell me you're crying again. You know how it hurts me whenever you're crying, eh? It's not our fault that I'm like this. Only God knows the reason.
Sister, I can't help it anymore. I can't help it. Look at you. Look at us. Hey, God. Sister, I'm not crying again. I'm not. See ya, sister. Sister, I've stopped crying. I've stopped. not crying again. Sister, I promise I'm going to study hard. I will study so hard to become an optician. And once I become an optician, you will be the first person I will operate on. And by God's grace, you will retain your sight. You will regain your sight.
You have said that several times. And I believe you. Oh?
My sister, I will never stop promising you. And by God's grace, I will fulfill the promise.
Stop crying. Stop crying, okay? Hey, Chizona. Stop crying.
Okay, sister. Okay. Okay, sister, let's go. Just wait for me. Let me put this inside. Yeah?
Okay.
Keep inside.
Mazi.
Oh, Amodi, sir.
Good morning, sir.
You are here already?
Yes, they said you sent for me.
Yes, you're welcome. Please sit down.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Oh.
Just a minute. Hi, you're welcome.
Thank you. You sent for me?
Yes, I sent for you. Do you still remember that my son? Frederick, my son.
Frederick, the one that went to study medicine abroad?
You know him. Yes, you still remember him?
Yes, I do.
Well, he called and told me that he has graduated.
Already?
Yes.
Hey! Yeah. Wow!
And that he'll be coming home very soon.
Oh, that is good.
You can imagine.
You must be very proud of your son. You're now the father of a doctor. Not just any doctor, but the one trained abroad.
You can say that again.
That is good.
You know?
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Not only that, he said I should start looking for a good girl for him to marry as soon as he comes back.
I see.
Yes.
So have you found, or are you still looking?
That is why I called you.
Okay.
I found a good thing in your place. I'm planning, if God permits and if you will, to hook the two of them together.
That is really kind of you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I feel honored. I really feel honored.
That is it.
Okay.
But it's only if you permit to, you know.
And now who am I to not to permit?
If you give approval.
From your family? No. In short, let me not show my go and deliver the good
It's
news.
okay. It's okay.
All
Thank
right.
you very much.
Thank you so much,
I'm very grateful.
Mazi, God bless you.
Yeah, please. Don't hesitate to give me a feedback.
I'll do just that.
Thank you
No
very
problem.
much. Let me see you.
Okay.
What is it? Nothing. I just try to. I want to know whether.
My friend, drop that.
Here. Olisa, what is going on? Where is our customers? Why are they not coming? Huh? What is happening? What is happening today? I'm having these feelings that today's business will not go well.
Ibekwe. Ibekwe. The thunder that will fire you will come from Amadioha's shrine. What's your problem now? If they have sent you, tell them I'm not available. It's too early to complain.
Why would I complain? Oh, Lisa, why wouldn't I complain since I know the problem is from you?
Are you serious? So
yes, now.
How?
Let's put this way. Assuming now you sold one pepper soup, at least that person now will not ask me for one bottle of palm wine. I will be selling my own too.
Ibeko, you are just lazy. You are just lazy. Very, very lazy. Yes. Must you depend on my pepper soup to sell your palm wine? Must you? Hustle. Hawk. Yes, hawk.
So wait, Olisa, I should go and hawk.
Before uncle.
Me, Dikeh. The only successful and the young palm wine tapper in this village. I should go and hawk palm wine. It's not possible. I cannot hawk palm wine. Instead of me hawking the palm wine, I will drink everything and finish it and go home and sleep.
Now I know why you started this conversation, my friend. Like, listen. Don't touch any palm wine here. Are you listening?
Wait, are you dragging my palm wine?
It's not your palm wine, it's our palm wine. It's family business.
I don't like this now. I don't like this. Allow me to drink now.
Be careful.
No customer, they are not coming. So allow me to drink.
You want to drink?
I will drink this. I will drink this. I will drink you. Leave me.
I used to be.
It's not my palm wine.
Go on, drink it. No matter, it's not no. Come on,
I will drink you. Leave me.
Hey, the love of my life is here.
Good morning.
Good morning, my love.
My love, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey, yeah.
How are you doing today?
I'm alright, you're welcome. Let's go, man. Welcome. Let's go and see. It's easy. Hello, deceit. Yeah. It's so much. You're welcome.
Bros, I have to be on my way now.
Relax. You're always in a hurry. Relax.
I'm going for jam lessons.
Forget that you're jam. Listen. Take a glass of palm wine. One for the road. I insist. I'm coming, my Ezbo mother. Okay. Hi, my man.
Just one glass.
Enjoy, my brother. We are one. And how are you? Ezbo mother. I hope you're fine. I'm blessed. No.
Thank you.
Because this is sweet.
You know how I roll now. Raw. Yeah. Then we'll go with this one. Take away.
I should go with this one.
Enjoy. Take away.
Yeah,
one. Sister.
Take care, yeah.
Alright, okay.
I'll come back.
Okay.
Give me take away.
Okay. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay. Take care of yourself, Inugo.
No problem.
Okay.
I'm going for lesson so that I'll be a soldier. Have you
forgotten?
forgotten?
Yes. Alright.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Chai, where are we starting from today?
Ako! Mama! Bia! Daddy! Ebe kono! Mama! Here! I have good news for you.
Mama, this one you're happy this morning. What is this now? Tell me.
Why wouldn't I be happy? Something is about to happen to us. Something good.
Mama, what is that? Mama, yes, tell me now.
Okay, listen. This morning, Mas Ignatius sent for me. I went there. And he told me that his son, Frederick, who has been studying medicine abroad, has graduated. And that he's coming home to find a wife. And guess who this wife is going to be?
Mama, who?
My own lovely daughter. Ako.
Mama.
Eh?
Mama, are you joking with me?
Joking what? Hey, hey, Ako.
Mama, Moa.
Better go and get ready because you're going abroad with that man.
Mama?
Eh?
You mean I am going to be a wife to a medical doctor?
Look at this girl.
Mama,
I said something is about to happen.
Mama,
I am saying.
Then I will now travel abroad with him.
Oh.
Like, I'm going abroad, Mama.
Yes, now.
And get Mama
His wife. Hey! Follow me. Hey! Mother-in-law to a doctor.
Yes.
Okay, ask him, do you know any doctors? If I yes, Dr. Frederick.
Hey,
mother-in-law to a doctor. I just say I'm on a doctor, myself, Dr. Frederick. Hey, Dr. Frederick.
People yours say it again. Oh Jesus, I'm gonna then I'll get the van. Hey, oh boy, I need a bottle of palm wine. Get me a bottle of palm wine. Me too. Get me a bottle of palm wine now.
Wait. How many bottles have you taken? Huh? Or are you here to drink yourself to stupor?
Wait, I don't understand. Are you trying to tell me I don't know my gauge anymore? My friend, will you go there and get me a bottle of palm wine?
Wait. Did you just call me my friend? Are you stupid? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? I am Ebere Okaro, the only palm wine tapper in this village. You don't know. Let me tell you. Don't talk to me like that. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. Who is this person? I was clapping. I'm not selling. Nonsense. Since you don't know, the remaining one I was mistaken.
Olsa, Olsa, you mean say we're gonna take pepper soup with tap and wine? Come on, give us palm wine and may we enjoy ourselves. If you don't bring, I no go pay.
My brother, please calm down.
Forget, calm down.
Calm down.
Forget, calm down. Yeah,
everybody calm down. Relax. Ibekwe, what is it? Sell palm wine to our customers.
Today, palm wine has finished. Palm wine has finished. This is for me. How are they here to drink themselves to
Wait, I don't understand. Are you guys trying to tell me you're not serious for your business?
Let's leave here.
No, don't me.
Come now. Your money. I hope you have collected the wrong money. Can you imagine this people? Leave them, let them go. Can you imagine? They want to bring themselves to stupor. This is not how we do it. Are you stupid? Do you know how much I'm losing? Hey! What is happening there?
If only sinaga biganeluwa, ewu chimo, ebekino.
Sorry.
Don't touch his painful.
Sorry, calm down, man. Let's wait first.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It's very painful. It's very painful.
Sorry.
Siva.
Oh my goodness.
Don't touch his painful. It's painful. It's
Sister, what happened to you? What happened here?
Something happened. I fought with my brother, so... But I don't even know how to explain this.
It was not his fault. I shouldn't have tried to separate them knowing that I'm blind. It was not his fault.
Wait. You mean they gave you this injury? Huh?
It is I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
You're sorry! Sister, let's go. Come on, let's go.
It's not as bad as you think. It's not as bad as you think.
I will not bring you here again.
No. It's not that serious yet. I want to take her to the chemist. Please now. I want to take her to the chemist.
It's not as bad as you think. No.
Wait. So Lisa wanted to kill you?
Mama, Lisa is wicked. Mama, Lisa would have killed me. If not that, I ran away. Mama, I had to go to the pharmacy. They gave me a very powerful pain reliever. And they said I should eat very strong food. Very strong food, or big food.
So this second plate is not enough?
No, Mama. It's not enough.
Step up. Step up. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, wait, let me keep the chair away from you, yeah? Yes, step up. Let me bring food to you so that you take your drugs, yeah?
He said I should eat even 3 or more plates.
Yeah. Asiocha. But you can lie, you.
It's okay. Ako, go and get him another plate.
Go.
Mama.
Go.
Mama, only him 3 plates.
Go and get him another plate.
Go.
Oh.
Olisa.
Mama.
We were just talking about you. Why did you want to kill your brother?
No, Mama. The question should be, why was he being stupid? Can you imagine? Just because I stopped him from insulting our customers, he refused to sell pepper soup and palm wine to them. To grant it all, he was even insulting them.
Is that what happened?
No, Mama. Don't mind him, Don't mind him. Oh, Lisa was there when the customers were insulting me. He didn't even say anything, no. He did not even say anything until I refused to say more palm wine.
My friend, will you shut up? Customers are always right.
Yes.
Customers are always right.
That is true. Customers are always right. Customers were insulting you on your cable. Eh? Is that why you refuse to sell palm wine to them? Don't you know that from the proceeds of that shop is what we feed on?
Don't mind him. I know what your problem is. You're suffering from overfeeding, but no problem. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I'm warning you before Mama now. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I will behead you.
Now I say, you say it's not working. It's not working.
It's not working.
Only Sarah puts her own now.
Okay.
This is my father's Why will I stop coming there?
Take back the food, Pico. You're not eating any more food.
Mama?
I think it is food that is making you senseless.
Mama,
your brain is as small as a cuckoo's hole. If you like, take all the drugs in this whole world. Take the whole drug. That one is your business.
Mama, the drug.
Fall inside the well.
Mama, give me food.
Eat now. The food is sweet now.
Echezona, I don't like the way you handled that issue. I told you it was not Olisa's fault.
Sister, Olisa was supposed to take care of you. Take good care of you, not hurt you. Look at your face.
But it wasn't intentional.
It wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional. I don't care. As a matter of fact, you will not go there again. Since going there is no longer safe for you, I don't see any reason why you should be going to that place. Yes!
You don't have any right to make such decision for me. You're becoming overprotective, oh.
Really? Look at your face. Sister, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please try and eat your food so that you can take your drugs and rest. Please. You hear? Bikono. I'm sorry, alright? Let me drop this on the floor here. Nem. Chibugom, my only beautiful sister in the whole world, though, not only in this village. You know you're beautiful. See, anytime you go there, we say, look at Echozona's beautiful sister, and you remain beautiful for me, Okwema. And you know you're the only reason why I want to be a surgeon, so that you can use this your eyes and see. You know. Anytime you're not happy, you know I'm not happy. Look at the beautiful face and look at what happened to it. How do you expect me to be happy? And I smile for me now. Don't worry, you will marry a very rich husband though, that will buy me a jeep and will change this our house to upstairs. You know. And I'll always come and see you. I'll follow you to your husband's house. So you'll be happy. Eat your food. Eat your food. No, I'm here. See me here. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You like it? You like it, eh? Let me keep that down. See, if you finish eating and you want another one, just tell me. I will go to the kitchen and prepare another one for you. That is why I'm here for you now. So that you eat. Don't be angry. Eat very well. So you take your drugs and sleep. Is it paining you? Hey, Ndo. Hey. See, next time, if you see such thing happening, run. Go and hide. Anywhere, under the table, anywhere. So if I come, I will see you, then I'll come and carry you. And I'll make sure it won't happen to you again. Yeah? Oh yeah. It's, yeah? Nemo. Omali Chamo.
Just finish up before he comes in. You will see that you're a hard-working young girl. And I'm almost done. Should be towards that area. Yes. Hey! My in-law, my in-law.
Come on, listen.
My in-law, you're welcome. Hi, Udode. I just came to give you an answer to yesterday's proposal.
Is that so?
Yes, and when we stepped in, my daughter just noticed that your compound is unkept, so she decided to tidy up.
Hey.
She's very hardworking.
I can see.
Yes.
So she has accepted the request.
Yes, Nai. I'll marry your son. Thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. My daughter, you don't need to thank me. You are doing me a favor. Okay?
Thank you, Nai.
Look, a good girl like you, and a hard-working girl for that matter, is difficult to find.
I know. She's very hardworking. Oh. Continue sweeping, continue sweeping.
Thank you. Do.
Continue sweeping.
Imagine. This is wonderful.
Yes, she's a hardworking girl.
I can see.
Anywhere she goes to, she's always tidying up and cleaning. You know the one that marvels me?
No.
Look at her now. Whenever she's sweeping, she smiles. If she's not singing, she's smiling. She was singing. I said, no, maybe somebody's inside the house.
No, nobody there. Nobody.
Hey, Jessica, sweep.
Hey, Melissa, let us go. Sit down.
Oh,
sit down
okay.
first. It's too late now. Let she come and rest.
No, let her finish up. Zaba. Yeah. Mazi, sit down. I'm just supervising.
This is wonderful.
Sit down, Mazi.
Stop there. Stop. I warned you never to step your foot into this place again. What are you doing here?
Olisa, this is our father's property. So it belongs to both of us, not only you. So you cannot stop me and do my business here. Yes.
Okay. I'm coming.
Can you imagine? I'll do my business. How can you stop me from doing my business? Can you imagine? What are you doing?
It's your father's property, right? If you are a man, cross this line.
Olisa, I should cross this line. Olisa, you say I should cross this line. I will do it too, because this is our property, not only you. You cannot take what belongs to me. Olisa, Olisa, give my top low. Everybody come and hear my voice, oh. Come and hear my voice, oh. Olisa, I want to die, oh. I will kill somebody. I will kill somebody here, oh, Olisa. I will kill somebody here, oh. This property belongs to both of us, not only you. You want to take it? Do you want to take what belongs to me? You cannot do it. You cannot do it. I will cross, oh. I will cross, oh. I will cross, oh.
Cross.
I will cross.
Cross now. Cross, oh.
Okay. Olisa, you. Okay. Olisa. No problem.
That's my name.
Don't worry, Olisa, don't worry. I know where I'm about you. No problem.
No, this girl is good. Very hardworking.
I trained her well.
I can see.
She'll keep everywhere clean.
Come. My daughter.
No.
What is it? You still want to start washing clothes? No, please. You have done enough. I am okay with the one you have done. Please. Have a rest. Thank you. Yeah.
You shouldn't be thanking her. She's doing her duty as your daughter-in-law.
I know. But she has done enough. I am satisfied with the one she has done. Please. Let she rest.
Nai, it's not much. Let me just quickly finish it.
I'll finish it. I'll wait for you.
Nai, don't hesitate to call me whenever you need my assistance.
Oh,
Wonderful. Can see. Such a nice girl. Such a beautiful and hardworking girl. Yeah. I am sure my son would like to marry you.
Thank you, Mike.
When you call him, just tell him we're asking after him.
Sorry. Surely I will do that. Okay?
Extend our greetings.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay.
I'll wait for you. I'll wait for her.
You still want her to do the washing?
Nani, please. She's just practicing now.
It will be an overwork, overload on her.
It will not be any overload. Please, when you talk to your son, extend our greetings.
It's okay. Surely I will do, eh?
Okay.
I will do.
Now just wash up so that I'll wait for you, eh? I'll see you.
Go.
Olisa, is that you?
Yes, it's me. How are you, my love?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm alright. I didn't see you today. Wait, was Echozona serious about what he said?
Obviously, he is. He even wanted to take me to Mami Forma's house, but I refused, knowing that you're going to come here.
But I begged Echozona and I told him it was a mistake. It's risky to leave you here all by yourself. Talk to him. Talk to him.
I will, but you know he's very stubborn.
Alright, don't worry, I'll talk to him myself, okay?
Okay.
Meanwhile, I brought you pepper soup.
You did?
Yes, sir. You like it?
Okay.
It's very tasty.
Thank you. Wow, it's very sweet.
You like it?
Yes, I love it.
I love you, oh no. I love you, if more. I love you, on you will know me. If more, I'll be there for you. I love you, oh more.
Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? I said, why are you holding me? Leave me! Leave me!
I want to take you to your house. Please.
Huh? Me? You don't have respect. You are squeezing me.
What is wrong with my son?
Huh?
Mama.
Please,
Leave me! Leave me!
put him down here. Put him down.
You don't know my mother will beat you. Leave me alone. Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! You don't have respect.
What is wrong
Why are you holding me?
Mama, we saw him on the road to Kano village.
on the road to Kano village?
Yes, Mama.
Ibeko, what was taking you to Kano village?
Mama.
When you're supposed to be at the joint with your brother, Olisa.
Mama. Olisa had the guts to chase me out of my own father's property. Mama. No, don't worry. Let him come back. I'm waiting for him. I will face him man to man. Mama, please tell him not to carry gun. Tell him not to carry gun. This house will not contain both of us. Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? Why are you holding me? I said, why are you holding me? Leave me! Leave me! I want to take you to your house. Let's go. Huh? Me? You don't have respect. You are squeezing me.
What is wrong with my son?
Huh? Mama.
Please.
Leave me! Leave me!
Put him down here. Put him down.
You don't know my mother. My mother will beat you. Leave me alone. Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! You don't have respect.
What is wrong?
Why are you holding me?
Mama, we saw him on the road to Kano village.
On the road to Kano village?
Yes, Mama.
Ibekwe, what was taking you to Kano village?
Mama.
When you're supposed to be at the joint with your brother, Olisa.
Mama. Olisa had the guts to chase me out of my own father's property. Mama. No, don't worry. Let him come back. I'm waiting for him. I will face him man to man. Mama, please tell him not to carry gun. Tell him not to carry gun. This house will not contain both of us. No problem.
Mama, you know that he finished all his palm wine.
Are you sure you people did not join him?
Mama, no now.
Are you serious? Ibekwe, what have I done? What have I done to you, Ibekwe?
Nothing new.
Ibekwe, can you find Melage? You're not even taking after your father. Your father was not a drunk. Neither is your mother a drunk. Ibekwe, can you find Melage?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. You will sleep here until the thing will follow you.
Are you going?
Mba.
Come and take me inside. Do you know who I am? The only young, successful palm wine tapper in this village. You don't know. I'm telling you who I am. Mama, take me inside. Mama, take me inside. Go and bring me food. Go and get me food. Go and get me food. Go and bring me food.
Yes, I need to do.
Mama. Oh God, I'm finished. How do I go about this? Who could have stolen that money? Eh? How do I explain this to my sister? How do I tell her that I have lost the money that we have been saving for my JAMB exams? Just few days to the exams. Oh. So this is how I will lose my opportunity of writing this JAMB. Is this how I will fulfill the promise I made to her?
Echezona, I never knew you are this wicked. How could you? How could you abandon your only sister at home all by herself? It's unfair now. It's unfair. Huh? You know her condition and... Are you okay? Eche? Why are you crying? Ogini? Echezona. Eche?
Echezona.
Sister.
Is that you?
Yes, sister, I'm back. Hope you're fine.
Yes, I'm fine. That reminds me. Olisa was here today. He said he needed to see you.
Okay, yes. I saw him on my way back. So let me quickly prepare lunch.
Echezona, wait. Have you been crying? Echezona, tell me.
I'm here.
What is wrong with you? I can sense it in your voice. You have been crying. What is wrong?
I lost the money for the job.
What?
Yes, they stole it in the job class today. I don't know how it happened. I put it in my pocket.
Oh my goodness! Tell me you're lying! Echezona, tell me you're lying!
Sister,
what have you done?
Please, I don't know.
What is right for this time? Echezona!
And simple. I can't continue doing that business with Ibekwe. He is a drunkard, so he should continue drinking.
Biko, Nkabu, your mother begging you. Please forgive this boy and give him a second chance. If you leave him out there, he will become a disgrace to the whole family.
I don't care.
Eh? Wait. Mama, say again. So because I decided to drink my own palm wine, I'm not a disgrace to the family, Abi?
You're walking. Shut up. Shut up that dirty mouth. Are you not ashamed of yourself? The other day you made a spectacle of yourself. Okay, Zua? Eh? One more word from you. You will never step a foot into that joint.
Huh? Mama say it's a lie. Nobody can stop me from using my father's property.
Okay, sir. I know what your problem is. Overfeeding. But that's by the way. Mama, can I retire now?
I have good news for you people. You know, earlier today, Mazi Ignatius called me. He said that his son that went abroad to study medicine is coming back. And he's coming back to ask for your sister's hand in marriage.
Huh?
Yes, doctor.
Mama, this is good news. Hey, good news. Mama, please, can you tell him, can you tell me I would like to travel with him to abroad? Hey, I'll go. Meko.
What do you say?
Oh, I heard what you said. I hope he is a good man.
Yes, brother. He's a very good man and I love him.
He's a very good man and you love him. Someone you barely know.
No, I know him. He's a very good man. I remember when the boy was born. Chakoto, Fred, hey, good man.
Mama, when he comes back, first.
So what do you like him?
Hey, Mama, please, just tell him now. When you travel abroad, do you understand?
Do you sometimes listen to yourself? No, when no bullet can cook Dikeh.
You see, from this end to this end, up to that tree, it's my land. I want you to clear it for me. How much will you charge?
Up to that place?
Yes.
Madam, it's big, oh. It's big.
This thing is big.
Madam, look at this thing now. It's very...
It's just that tree now.
Okay, madam, you know what? I'll do it for just 20,000.
Huh? 20 what?
20,000.
For this small piece of land? 20,000.
Madam, you call this small piece of land?
That money is much, oh.
From this place to that place, oh. It's big, and I will do it very well for you.
See the way you're saying to that place, so as if it's... Look at the tree I'm talking about.
I know now.
It's 20,000 is too much now. I'll pay 5,000 naira, please. Please, I'll pay 5,000.
Madam! 5,000? Madam, don't you have human sympathy? For this big land! And I will do it very well. I will pack all the grasses in one place so that I will burn it. And you say 5,000 is poor now.
Listen, I don't pluck money from trees. Eh? I will pay 5,000 naira. That's all I have. It's 5,000 I will pay, please.
Hi. Oh, madam. Okay, fine, no problem. I will.
And please, I want you to please do it very well. And be careful of my banana and plantain trees, please, including my pineapple. I don't want anything to go wrong with them. Please. Hey. Please.
Okay, madam, please add small thing. Add something to it so that you can...
Don't worry.
Be able to eat.
There's more. This one you're saying is just small. There's more. I'll give you. Don't worry. Okay? Just do this one first. Make it fine. Then you see more. Don't worry. Just try. I'll see you later. Mama.
She? Yes, I'm here.
I wish I can help you. I hope it's not too much for you. Huh?
She, please don't worry. Don't bother yourself. It's just a small piece of land. I'll finish it before you know it.
Okay. Please, don't hurt yourself, Inugo. Don't hurt yourself. Oh. Take it easy.
No problem. I'll do my best. Yeah? Okay. And let me take you to that place so that you go and sit down.
Okay.
While I come back and finish it.
Okay. Alright, take it.
Just take it easy.
Okay.
Just follow me. I'll take it easy. Fine here, yeah? If you want anything, tell me.
Okay. Take care of yourself, oh?
Okay.
Take care of yourself, okay? Don't hurt yourself, oh. Inugo.
Chibugo, my love, where could you be? I've been to her house and she's not there. Echozona, where have you taken my love to? I hope she's safe. When will I see her again? Just a glimpse of her will make my day.
This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. Know the right thing and do it. Tell me why today's business will not go well. Huh? Thank God my brother is becoming wise now. Yeah? This is what I'm talking about. Man, customer,
See? I told you I will finish it now.
So fast? So you're done already?
Yes now.
Hey, you to go see so.
Oh, very. I told you now, it's a small portion.
I'm so happy for you. You couldn't even check on the...
What? Hey! Get off! Hey! Something! Sorry.
Olisa, you have not been yourself since today. Are you okay? Olisa. Olisa, what is it now?
Today is a bad day.
My sister, what happened to her leg?
What?
My sister's
what
leg.
Happened to her?
Her leg, oh. She was missing my snake, oh. Hey, whoa. Wait, please, oh, please. Hey, whoa. No. Okay. Hey, whoa.
This is cobra bite.
Hey.
And it's dangerous.
Cobra.
Yes.
Hey, whoa. She, no.
I think we should just close. We need to leave here.
Huh?
Yes.
What? We still have some pepper soup left.
Like how many plates?
4 meat. Okay, like 2 plates now. But no problem. If you say we should close, there's no problem. I will close, but I will finish the remaining one.
My friend, don't be stupid. That's all you know how to do. Finish. Put it in a flask for me.
Huh?
Are you deaf?
Hey, please, do something. Do something to save her. She's all I have, please. Please.
You are in the right place.
Okay. Don't worry.
I know what to do.
Oh, okay, good. Please.
It will cost you 5,000. 5,000 naira.
Hey, 5,000. Hey, just start. I'll pay you. Money is not the problem. I'll pay you. Please.
My son, I don't work like that. I must get my money before I can touch her.
Igwakala, please now.
Snake bite.
Igwakala, please now. Please. Okay, yes. Just start immediately. I go for Mamuko. I will go and collect the money. I'll come
Listen
and pay
to
you.
me. Go and get money.
Just start, eh? Let me rush and go and bring it. Yeah?
Go and get me money.
Yes,
If
I'll
you want
go.
me to help you, then the better.
Hey.
Chai, if only sinaga biganeluwa, ewu chimo.
Madam. Hey. Madam. I was on my way to your house before I saw you leaving. I finished the work.
Oh, just like that? Now?
Yes, ma.
Are you serious? Hey, I hope you did it well.
Yes, ma. I did it very well, ma. Just that something happened.
What?
A snake bit my sister as we were about to leave.
Hey, a snake?
Yes, ma.
Hey! So, where is she now?
I took her to the herbalist. And the herbalist said he must pay 5,000 before he commences treatment.
Is that why you're looking for me?
Yes, ma.
Hey.
Yes, ma.
Okay, fine. My son is aware you are coming. As you can see, I'm going out and I'm not with the money here. So just go to my house. Oh,
Thank
sorry. Oh, don't.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, please greet her for me, oh.
Yes, ma.
Sorry.
Ugo? Who is it? Can I never? Ugo? Yes. Nadaro. I met your mother on her way out. And she said I should come and meet you to give me the 5,000. I finished the work.
Oh, are you the one that did the job?
Yes.
Oh, hold on, let me come. I was eating.
Okay, please be fast. I'm in a hurry. Go fast. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ugo! What I agreed with your mother is 5,000. And you're giving me 3,000.
What you agreed with her is 5,000?
Yes, please complete it. I'm in a hurry. I need to go and pay the money somewhere. My sister is somewhere.
How? What did you do? Just cleaning of a plantation, Obere plantain. Did you all isolate? Or keso? In our here.
No. Ugo, please. I don't want problem. I don't want any problem. Please complete my money. Let me go.
Eche, see, I gave you this 3,000 because it's you. If it's another person, it's 1,000. A man carry 1,000. Something that I would have even cleared for 2,000. More you may have 2,000. You're telling me.
Please, Ugo. Please, I beg you, in the name of whatever you respect, complete my money and let me go.
Hey, I ain't greedy. Why here? See, if you don't like this 3,000, go and rearrange that farm. Let me come and clear it. Go the matter here.
Ugo, complete my money and let me go.
How?
Complete my money, let me
go. So 3,000 I did okay.
Ugo, please give me my money. Please complete my money and let me go. I'm in a hurry. I told you this thing now. What's the meaning of it? What I agree with your mother is 5,000. You're giving me 3,000.
Do you want to fight me in my own house?
Sorry if I want to fight you, but please give me my money. I work for it now. Please, give me my money, please. Give me my money.
Why here?
This one because serious. Give me my money.
This one because serious.
Give me my money.
Because serious.
Give me my money.
Hey, why?
Give me my money, Ugo. Give me my money. What is it? Give me my money.
Check out with them. Check and you say again.
Don't bring my money for me. See, money. Ugo. Ugo, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. What if he hear me? Won't do anything. Come on, fire! You. Give me my money. What's this? Give me my money. This is 5,000 naira. It's what I agree with your mother. Can you get now? What's wrong? Can you get now? You can't do that way. You won't do anything. You will not do anything. You will kill my money before I leave this place. You will kill my money. Please, you will give me this.
Afufunyi sina tanenuwa. Ewu chimo. Chai, ifonyi sina gabi.
Chibugo. Echezara. Ugo. Chibugo. Chimo. Echezara. Ugo. Chibugo. Ugom. I have a feeling that something is wrong somewhere. Where could she be?
Sister, Hugo. Sister, please don't do this to me. Please don't do this to me. Wake up. Help! Help! What is it? I was trying to wake my sister up. Huh? She was not responding. My sister is not dead. The medicine I gave to her made her to sleep. Don't you see I've started the treatment? Look at the leg. Yes, she's just sleeping. Jim? Nemo. She is only sleeping. Jim, she's sleeping. Yes. Hell, Jim. Oh. Hey. What happened to your head? Where did you get this wound from? Hi. What is that? Hey. What happened? I was in a fight with Ugo. Why? Yeah, I went to Claire now. The mother gave him money to give to me. He said, "I'll give me the complete money." He gave me just 3,000. Then when I approached him, he now said that I overcharged the mother, that it's not supposed to be 5,000. That Ugo must be a stupid boy. If you think the money is too much, why didn't he do it himself? Yeah? But if I may ask you, why must you be clearing farm for people at this time? You're supposed to be in the school. Oh, let me see. Okay, well, let me see what I can do to the wound. Huh?
Chimo,
Anna, you're welcome. How was business today?
Anna, business. Good. Business was going well when Olisa said we should close for the day.
What were his reasons for closing that early?
Mama, I don't know. He only told me that he had somewhere important to go. That I should pack the whole soup in a class. I wish I did. He took it away.
He had somewhere to go.
Mama, now I know where Olisa went to. Hey! Mama!
Okay.
Mama, Olisa has deceived me. Oh. Hey! Mama! So it's because of that girl. Because of that girl, Olisa told me to close.
Which girl are you talking about?
Mama, Chibugo.
Chibugo? Who is Chibugo?
Mama, Chibugo. Don't you know Chibugo? Late Mazi Ikedi's daughter.
Chibugo, the blind girl.
Yes, Mama. Chibugo is now Olisa's girlfriend.
Hey! What is Olisa doing with a blind girl? Nigerian medicine?
I don't know.
Hey! Of all the girls in this town, in this village, or play a blind girl. Now Morocco.
Mama.
What?
Do you know? Me too. I'm confused. Oh, I'm confused. But Mama, if you see how Olisa gets carried away anytime he sees that girl.
Because it's quite fancy, man. Yes, should not hear what you're saying, please. Please help me carry this water.
I might have to warn Olisa. So because of that girl.
It's
because of that
okay.
Girl. No problem now.
Water.
No problem. We have
to the back.
That was what happened.
You and your sister are passing through a lot. It's a pity. But isn't there any other thing you can do to get the money?
I wish there is. I just wish.
Echezona, I will help you.
Huh?
Yes. I'll give you the money.
Thank you.
Thank God. But under one condition.
What condition?
How did Mama get to know about Chibugo?
I told her now.
Hey, you told her why? Did I ask you to tell her?
Wait. Were you hiding it from her?
Whether I'm hiding it from her or not, it's none of your business. You are not the right person to tell her.
Sorry, my mistake.
You talk carelessly. Must you? Echezona. Hey, where have you been now? I've been looking for you and your sister everywhere. How is Chibugo?
In case you don't know, she was bitten by a snake. Yes.
Wait. How? When? Why? Where?
It was at the farm. When I went to claim Amogo's farm. That was when she was bitten.
Hey! This is serious. Okay, where is she now?
She's at the herbalist place. In case you're planning to bring her here, the herbalist said she's going to stay with him for 3 days.
Hey. This is serious, so let us order. Chibu go snake. Bye. Look when I go to Chibu. Snake. She was bitten by a snake. Jesus. Hey, this is serious.
Are you going there?
Mba, I'm flying there. It's a lie. Herbalist. So this is how you treat people?
No, I was just trying to check.
This is... Wait, Olisa. Herbalist. So this is how you treat people. So this is... Yeah.
Hi. My daughter.
Hope you enjoyed the food.
My daughter, I really enjoyed it. You are not just beautiful and hardworking. You are equally a good cook. You are the exact kind of girl my son asked me to find for him. Don't worry. I will talk more of you to him. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
I assure you, he will marry you.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm coming. Let me drop this dress.
Okay.
Thank you.
Rubbish. Arrant nonsense. Useless diabetic old fool.
Olisa, is that you?
Yes.
Who was that?
Don't worry, my love. Listen. We have to leave here now. This man is evil. I caught him trying to rape you. Yes, we are leaving here now.
Rape me?
Yes.
Hey.
Take it easy. Easy. Can you imagine? Hold this.
Rape me?
Useless man.
Hey.
My love, please put your leg. I caught that old fool trying to rape you.
Rape me?
Let's go. Wait. In fact.
I love you, oh no. I love you, if more. I love you, on you will know me. If more, I'll be there for you. I love you, oh no.
But you're done?
Yeah, I'm done. Thank you very much. Frederick will be very happy. Fred will be very happy. It's okay.
Please, I beg to take my leave now.
You want to go?
Yes, sir.
It's all right. Wait. Okay, just have this, okay?
No. No. I'm okay.
My daughter, I am your father-in-law, for goodness sake. Don't reject such gifts. Eh? So receive it. Take it, yeah? Take it. As a woman. Fine girl. You have been working.
So much love here. Your drink is very sweet. Yeah, very okay. It's a very nice place. Yeah. So what do you want?
I want pepper soup.
Okay. There's a brother.
Did this is my brother here? Did you see him here?
So he let this shop for you again.
Amibo. Wait. Did you have any problem with that? Do you have any problem with that? Tell me. Annoy him.
Well, that's not my business. Just give me a plate of pepper soup.
Yes, a plate of pepper soup. Be fast about it.
Wait, I'm coming.
You know, after we're gonna move to my place.
Yes.
Please, you can enjoy this thing.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
So let's get up on your favorite. What's up on it?
Just look at the guy you even asked for something. He's not even making a move.
Please, I need a plate of pepper soup.
Yes, I think yes. I will attend to you last. Yes. Oh, you want to go? If you want to go, now you go now. You go. See, let me tell you, if I tell you what I used to pass through in that forest, you will not be attending to me. I know here. Wait, I'll attend to you very soon.
This call from me. This guy is so annoying.
You don't want the soup again? I go now. Nonsense. See my palm wine. You are here asking for pepper soup. No.
Chibugom, had it been you told me, I would have given you the money. And this wouldn't have happened. Eh?
Really?
Yes. Listen. You are the love of my life. Nothing is too much for you. Having said that, I will still give you the money. Okay?
Don't bother yourself. The herbalist has given him the money already. Don't bother yourself. Huh?
But you should... Oh. Etizana. You're welcome.
Why did you bring her back here now? Eh? I told you that the herbalist said she needs to stay with you for 3 days.
Etizana, calm down and listen. You are being overprotective in a wrong way. Look at what happened. I went to the herbalist's place, only for me to find out that he was trying to rape her.
What? No. I don't believe you.
I'm serious.
Wait. Okay. That's the reason.
No, Etizana, relax. Etizana, calm down. I'm taking care of that man. This is not necessary. This is not necessary. Stop. Etizana.
He still has a lot of things to explain to me.
I'm taking care of him. It's not necessary.
Etizana.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Ignatius is a good man. Hey, and he's going to make a very good father-in-law to me. Hey, see plenty money.
So he gave you all this?
Yes.
He gave you 11,000 naira?
Bam.
Hey! That's very kind of you, Mom.
Yes, Mama. And that's not all. He also said he liked the food I prepared for him. He said he has not had that kind of meat for a very long time, Mama.
Why won't he like it? Eh? Has he eaten good meal?
Hi.
Eh? A man without cookbook. Let me tell you, I trained you well.
Yes, sir.
I know what you can do. But you know what we're going to do now? We have to strategize.
Yes,
this money, you will use it and go to the market.
Yes.
First of all, you buy some new clothes for yourself. Then you buy some shoes or slippers. Buy cream so that when you rub it on your body, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Mama.
Good. Because this your husband that lives abroad has seen a lot of fine women. He has seen the white ones in the altar. He has seen black and white, the people they call half caste. He has seen black, that their skin and idea. We need him to come back here and notice that our girls are the most beautiful.
But Mama,
and you're the only one that can do it.
Hey, Mama, you're correct. Mama, this is a very good idea. Now I understand you more, Mama. You're very correct. Mama, this money will go a long way for us.
You will give me this money to keep for you. Tomorrow, you and I will go to the market.
Okay, Mama. Hi. Mama, I can't wait. My latest bride in town.
Hey, Otago, with shiny skin.
Duck.
If we go to a Kirika section, the clothes we will buy there. Leftovers from America. Enak is their shoe with high heel.
Aye.
He changes steps.
Mama, kiss me.
We go to go to hair. Even if it's second hand, we brush it very well.
But this one
Put
is
oil
not
on
fine.
it. Hey!
I can't wait.
Then when doctor comes back, he will see his wife waiting. Not just any wife, beautiful wife. Aye!
Please, yes.
Don't tell me to calm down. Keep quiet. Because you're very wicked, man. You're very wicked. Oh, that money you gave to me. I thought you were trying to help me. I never knew you were trying to break my sister behind me.
I was not trying to rape her. I was just admiring her. She's such a beautiful girl and I would like to marry her. For that money, keep it as part of her bride price, please.
You like to marry who?
Sister.
You like to marry who?
Please.
I need to give me name also.
She's so beautiful.
Shut up! You want to marry my sister? Let me tell you. Now listen. Any day I see you near my sister again, I will kill you. As for the money, as for your money, I will pay you as we agreed.
Ebule. Echezona! Echezona, where are you? Echezona!
Who is that?
Who is that? Echezona, it's me. Come and see me. What do you want? What do I want? I want my money. Here and now. Your money? Yes.
But I was supposed to pay you back a month after my exams. That was the agreement.
I can't wait any longer. Go inside and bring my money. Now!
It's only 2 days since you gave us the money and you're already asking for it. Please, give us some time now, please.
Hey, shut up! This is not women's talk. Hey, Chazana, you have only 2 days to refund my money. Or I said that line.
No. You won't do such thing. You won't do such thing. We agreed now. It was supposed to be a month after my exams. I'll come and give you back your money now. Why are you doing this now?
Don't say I did not warn you. I need my money now. Or I said that line.
Echezona, what land is he talking about? Echezona, answer me! What land is he talking about? Echezona! Echezona! What land is he talking about? Echezona!
Mama, Mama, do fast. I know we have a lot to buy today.
Wait, though. I can't find the money.
Mama, how do you mean you can't find the money? You know you usually put your money in the box. Have you checked it?
No, I put it here. Someone must have taken it. Yeah?
Mama, you sure? Check very well.
I know what I am talking about. Because the person took your money, took my 10 naira, 5 naira, 50 naira in my bag. All of them have disappeared.
Mama, you sure?
You don't trust me? Well, let's go inside and check now. Let's go inside and look again.
Oh, Mama.
Hey. Echezona, you mean you used the only land our father gave to us as a collateral to borrow money?
Sister, I had to, sister. The JAMB registration ends in a few days' time and I can't afford to miss it. Not after preparing and reading so hard for the exams. Besides, the man gave me enough time to pay back. Oh, I didn't know it was going to turn out to be like this.
Echezona, I have told you to stop taking decisions without telling me. If you had told me, we would have looked for a better option. Now look at what we're into. The only land our father gave to us is at stake. And the exam is in 2 days' time. 2 days! Hey!
Sister, I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. If not for my carelessness. If I didn't lose the money we saved for the exam, I wouldn't have gone to this extent. I wouldn't have gone this far to go and collect this money. I'll say now.
It's okay.
You know, see what I'm putting us into. See what I'm putting.
It's okay, it's okay.
Echezona, you know the last thing I can bear now is to hear you cry. It hurts me. Don't worry. We'll look for a way out, oh?
I'm sorry. Sister, please, I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Ozugo.
God.
Ozugo. Don't worry, we'll look for a way out,
Chai, if only sinega be ganeluwa.
What I'm telling you. Mama, I told you I didn't misplace the money. Somebody took it. No,
but Mama, this is the first time a thing like this is happening in this family. So who took my money, Mama? I'm calling to bring back my money.
I am equally confused. I'm confused.
Mama, after only this preparation I've been doing since. Mama, how am I going to look good now? The little money that Ignatius dashed me, they took it.
Hi, Ine, stop crying. Don't worry. As long as we're in this house, let them come back. Whoever took this money must bring it out. Else this house will not...
Oh, Mama, Mama, tell them to bring back my money. Tell them to bring back my money, Mama. Call them.
I will talk to them now. I will talk to them. Does it mean that we now have a thief in this house? Hey!
Mama, call them to bring back my money. Tell them to bring back my money.
And now for trouble. Now this same handbag, they have been saving money since Jiwakwa. Mba. Can you chop? Ma, what does he say now? Anyway,
I'm sorry. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, my love. Sorry I came late. I had to rush to the market to buy you these gifts.
Thank you. I forgot that today is my birthday.
Why are you sober? It's supposed to be a happy day. Hey, Chizana. What's happening? What's wrong? My love, please talk to me. Why are you sober?
It's the herbalist.
The herbalist again? What about him? What did he do this time around? What about the herbalist? Huh?
Chai! So it was Olisa. I mean, why couldn't he take permission before taking the money? Well, this is like unlike him. It's unlike Olisa.
Mama, he did not even take the money. The worst is that he used the money to buy clothes for that his blind girlfriend, Chibugo.
What?
Yes, as a birthday gift.
This is serious. This is serious. But Echezona, you should have told me. Yes, you should have told me. And I saw you crying on the road that day, but you refused to talk to me. Stop seeing me as only your sister's lover. You need to start seeing me as your family member, your blood, your brother, your friend. You should have told me. Huh. No problem. I will do something about it. Yes.
Really? You mean you help us?
Yes, I will.
Hey. Thank you. God will bless you.
What a relief.
You don't need to thank me. Like I said before, we are one. Okay? But that's by the way, my love.
Yes,
today is your birthday and it's a special day. So nothing will distract or take away your joy. I want you to go inside and change. I'm taking you out. Let me spoil you.
Hey.
Yes.
I hope I'm coming along.
If you wish, we are one.
Okay. Sister, let me go and change her inside. Eh? Sister, let me go and change you so that we'll go.
Okay.
Let me change her.
Alright.
Back up. Stand up, stand up. We are coming home.
I'm here.
Step up, step up, step up. Step up, step up, step up. Sorry. Step up, step up. Step up again.
Lisa, how dare you steal money from my bank? And you used it to buy nonsense for that wretched witch that you call a girlfriend.
Mama. First and foremost, I did not steal your money. Secondly, that woman is the love of my life. In fact, my future wife. So I will not tolerate you addressing her as a wretched blind witch. Stop.
Who's your wife? It cannot happen. That girl will not step her foot into this family. For what? A blind girl?
Mama.
Mama. Over my dead body. Mama, over my dead body.
Life is all about choice.
It's
my choice and that's fine. As for your money, I did not see your money. Excuse me.
Look, you have until this night to bring that money. In another choice. Now my choice or now your choice. Careful what in our choice, Sally. One police. You hear me? You do my table and you get me. Only you see. Tata not to enjoy 1 year double ya. More begin with Kulia. Hi, say, Mbano. If I have a choice, I'm going to talk to you later.
To marry my sister. Let me tell you. Now listen. Any day I see you near my sister again, I will kill you.
Who is shouting my name like that? Is everything okay?
How can everything be okay? When you've decided to invade my house?
I'm here, my friend.
So it's my son that you now want to date. If you're not there, man, let me tell you, it will never happen. You can never have my son. Nonsense.
Hey, Mama, is that you? What have I done?
Mama. What have you done or what have you not done? You've done everything that needs to be done. What have you not done? The money that my son is supposed to be feeding us with.
Mama, what are you talking about? Which money?
Shut up your mouth, your small useless mouth, witch. Oh, so you don't know how you've been manipulating my brother. Okay, you don't know. I even heard the bottle dress. You this witch. Let me tell you one thing. You see today, every money my brother has been giving to you, all of them, you are going to vomit them today, here and now. I am ready for you.
See money. You're using it to clothe yourself.
Oh, look at her.
He's using it to buy clothes for... Wait, you don't know which money. See psychedelic dress that she's wearing now. Who bought this thing for you? Hey! It's even open in the middle.
Hey!
See something showing that she's using to deceive my son. Mama, watch inside that house. Any fine cloth you see, bring it out.
Mama! Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, what do you want to do?
Mama, what
do you
will
want
see.
to do?
I'll show you now, step. You will see what you want to do.
Mama!
Hurry up!
Mama, what do you want to do?
The fine ones.
I'm looking for them.
Yeah, but I cannot walk.
Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, what do you want to do?
What do I want to do?
Mama, what do you want to do?
Mama, come in on what?
Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, Mama, what do you want to do? Mama, please, don't burn my clothes. Don't burn my clothes. Mama, please don't burn my clothes. Mama, please, I'm begging you. Mama, please don't burn my clothes.
I go. Next time you see my people, you don't again. I go.
Please, don't burn my clothes. Please, don't burn my clothes. Please, don't burn my clothes.
Fireball!
You think I can get please, don't burn my clothes. Mama, please, don't burn my clothes.
This is huge fire.
Don't burn my clothes.
Shut up.
Don't burn my
clothes. How can you can't get one funny this year?
Mama, please.
Chai. Look at
Hey, what can I do for you?
I have come to give you back your money. Okay. So stay off my land.
Well, there, man.
Listen, I heard all you did in the past. You took advantage of the fact that they are orphans and molested them, threatened them, even rough-handled them. But it's all good. Some days are like that. Now that you have your money, if I see you anywhere close to that piece of land, you will not see me. You will have me to contend with. Do you understand?
I do.
Ada go chintina Yesu. Ada go chintina Yesu.
I know. Let's go.
Yeah, man.
Hey. Way back.
Why are you crying? Huh? Hey, Nem, why are you crying? Eh? What happened? Eh?
My love, what happened? Huh?
Your mother and your sister came here and bought my clothes. And it's me. My whole body is hurting me. She was laying abuses on me.
Please, let's go back first.
Nem, come on, Yoma. Sit. No, sit down. Sit down here.
Relax. Just relax. Wait, huh?
What is that?
Relax, I'm coming.
Hey, no.
My mother needs to explain to me why.
I prefer yam now.
You cook the yam separately.
Yeah, fine. Cook it separately.
Mama, what was that for?
What
was that for?
What now?
What is the meaning of what you did? How could you?
Oh. The fact that I burnt the witch's clothes, is that what you're talking about? Ah! Before Uncle, she deserves it now.
Yes.
The clothes I personally bought for my girl. Mama, you burnt it.
Chelwa, you bought clothes for that girl. Yet you've never given me 1 naira in this house. But you're buying clothes for a blind girl.
Mama.
Anyway, let me tell you something. It's about time you realize I'm your mother in this house. You have to learn to respect me. Not one another. Yes.
Mama, you won't go scot-free on this one. Mama, I swear you will not go scot-free on this one.
I have.
I'm coming.
Biko, don't mind him. Is it because that blind guy is
don't mind
like this?
A whole first son.
And what's this one doing here?
Of all people is to go and date a blind girl. A girl that can't even see his face.
Yes.
Do you know how handsome one work at it?
Can you imagine?
You want to dirty my clothes?
But what are you doing?
Olisa.
Mama, what is he doing?
My clean clothes.
No problem, I'm coming.
Olisa.
You have the guts to burn my girl's clothes.
Back the clothes back. Then what can help him and put them back?
You have the guts.
What are you doing, Olisa? Mama,
Olisa.
you see what he's doing? So you want to burn Mama's clothes? She doesn't know Mama's clothes.
Olisa.
You have the guts to burn my
Olisa. What are you doing?
Those blind girls.
Give me my clothes. Give me my clothes. Only boy.
Mama, so give me my clothes now.
Only boy. Nah,
Don't try this. Only
boy.
Expensive clothes.
Only boy. Only me qualified.
What are my clothes?
Yes.
Only. Chineke.
Mama, my clothes.
Take time. Mama, take
My
time.
expensive clothes.
Only men
Take time.
Only.
Hey, that blind girl, Mama.
Hey.
That blind girl. Mama. We shall see.
Better.
Don't worry, we shall see. By the time I'm done with that girl. Why you come and go to your house? Go to your house. 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 Are you back? Who is that?
It's me, the herbalist.
What do you want? I thought they have paid you. What else are you looking for? What do you want here?
That is not the reason why I'm here. You see, I want to have a word with you.
What is it?
See, I'm sorry the way I pressurized you and your brother. I'm not trying to be wicked, you see. Just that after being nice to your brother, he couldn't give me the permission for the request I made to him.
What request is that?
You see, I wanted his permission to marry you, but he refused. I don't know the reason why he refused. You see, I will be a very nice husband to you, and I want you to love me. I love you so much. You are so pretty.
Leave me alone! First, you were not nice to us. Second, it's not a decision to make. It is my decision. And then, I don't want you. Leave here! Leave here immediately!
Very pretty. See, I will love you. I will marry you.
Leave here! Ah! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I will marry you.
Leave me alone! I don't want you! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
I will be very nice.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! I don't want to marry you! Leave me alone!
You marry me.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
You are here. Yes, I'm here. What is going on here?
I just want to come and see her. I want to, just for me to know how she's feeling.
Okay. How she's feeling? Yes.
Wait. For me to know how she's feeling.
Okay. Wait, no, it's not like that. Okay. It's not like that. It's like how? You want to see how she's feeling. Wait. Okay. Good. Chick? I hope he didn't injure you. Did he touch you?
He tried to touch me. You can't, man.
Sorry. I'm not about to.
So mama, Olisa had the guts to burn your clothes because of that blind girl. This is unbelievable.
The witch has bewitched my son. My first seed. The boy that I carried in my womb for 10 good months before I delivered him. He has turned against me. Except there's no God of vengeance. You will avenge this one for me. Hey!
Oh, it's okay. Mama, stop crying. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. You know your son. You know Ibekwe. They must pay for this. Olisa, you must pay for this. Trust me.
Don't worry, when I finish making this hair.
Where you're making my hair, I know that you want me to look very beautiful.
Yes.
And I love it.
You see, now that I've finished my exams, I don't have anything that is keeping me, that's taking my time. So I'll have enough time to take care of you and make sure you look beautiful and happy as usual. Oh?
I don't know what I would have done without you, my brother. You're my sweet brother. God will bless you for me. Chukwu goziegi, oh?
Hey, my sweet sister. I don't also know what I would have done without you. There's like someone is knocking.
Who is that?
Yeah, who is that?
Anybody home? Come on, please.
Let me check who is knocking. Okay. Don't go anywhere. Come here, let me finish the hair.
Good day.
Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you.
Yes.
Please, I'm looking for Okoye's family.
This Okoye's family?
This Okoye's family.
Yeah, how can we help you?
Thank you. Are you Echezona Okoye?
Yes, I am.
Yeah. Shake me. Congratulations. We are proud of you. You see, Echezona, my name is Jude. I'm from the scholarship board of our local government. You see, you came top in your exam. Because of that, the state government have decided to award you scholarship to study any course of your choice from BSc up to PhD. Yes. What's the problem? Why are you crying? It's good news.
I know.
Don't worry, see.
God.
Listen, I know. Have this. Take a look at it. Take a look. Open. Just go ahead. Go ahead.
It's true. It's true. Hey! It's true!
Elizabeth, you made us proud. Congratulations.
Hey!
Elizabeth.
Scholarship?
Yes.
For me?
Yes. Congratulations, my brother.
Hey! See, scholarship. Oh God. God, I thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
We thank God for everything.
Please. You have to blow me to the back. So that's my... You will tell my sister. So that she will hear it.
Don't worry. Let's go.
Let's go. Thank you.
It's alright. It's alright.
Hey! Sister! Let's go. Sister, we have a visitor. He said this, please. Tell my sister what you told me outside.
Madam, my name is Dee.
Yes.
I'm from the scholarship board of the local government. Okay? Yes. Your brother has won scholarship for himself.
What?
I'm coming. State government has awarded him scholarship
to
study any course of his choice at the university.
My brother! Scholarship!
Yes.
Yes. Thank God. Oh, Chuguna, thank you. I thank you.
It's alright. Echezona, congrats once again. Thank you. Please, there's no time to waste. You have to follow me to the office to sign some necessary.
Hey.
I will immediately.
God, I thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Hey, God, I thank you.
Thank you. It's alright.
Hey,
we are proud
Ross,
of you.
thank you, eh?
We are
Thank
proud
you.
of you, okay?
Sister, sit down. Sit down here. Sit down.
Hey, scholarship.
Yes.
My brother. Scholarship. Scholarship, my brother.
It's okay.
Hey.
Sister. Hey, so I will study any course of my choice.
Of your any invite from BAC to PhD. Any.
Hey! Okay. Sister, I have to be strong. The office. Should I take you inside?
Okay.
Okay, let me take you inside. Why? Yes, take you inside.
Okay.
Hey,
Akum.
Mama.
The most beautiful. Do you know that you're the most beautiful in this village? The prettiest.
Thank you, Mama.
Akuma. That reminds me of when I was young, about your age. I was just as beautiful as you are. Elegant. And that was when your father saw me. The minute he laid his eyes on me, he fell in love. And I can bet you that that's what would happen when Fred sees you.
Hey. Mama, I am so excited.
Now hurry up, we need to be there.
Oh, Mama.
The first people to receive him. Also,
Mama,
you understand?
Okay, Mama.
My name,
Yes, my jump. Yes, I'm among the people that came out tops in the JAMB exam. And guess what? I've been awarded the scholarship to study medicine in any university of Nigeria.
Wow! Congrats.
See.
You don't need to open it.
Okay.
The thing is that scholarship at the go.
Yes.
Wow. Is your sister aware?
Yes. She was there in the house when the man came to the house and gave us the good news.
You know what? It's calls for celebration.
Okay.
Let me do one or two. I'm closing this shop down. We are going to celebrate all day.
Okay.
In fact, I'm coming.
Okay, thank you.
Congrats, one name mother. Yeah. Jump.
Hey, he's the one calling. Excuse me. Hello, son. Yes. All of us are here already waiting. So, where are you? Where are you now? Have you entered our village?
Hello? Hello? Network, I don't know. It's network. But he's around now. I believe that. That is good.
Hello, Dad. Seriously, I'm so much confused right here. I think I still need directions.
Wait, you mean you don't know the way to your father's house again? Frederick, is that so? Anyway, you don't need to be blamed. You really overstayed. You have stayed for so many years overseas. It's not your fault. Now listen. See, if you immediately come to the village square, you pass it a bit, you will see a very big mango tree. Yes, very big mango tree by your right. Yes, there is a road immediately opposite it. Just drive along that road, straight. Go straight. Yes. Are you getting me?
I can't find any mango tree, Dad.
Fred, are you there? Fred? Fred! Oh! I've lost him again. I've lost him.
Oh, you did? No, try again.
What kind of network is this?
Dad, seriously, I can't see any mango tree. Hello? Yeah, I'm still checking. Hello, Dad. Hello? What's this? I think it's there. Hey! What's that?
You know him? I know him. I don't know him.
Hello? Yeah. Frederick. Oh, I'm very sorry, my dear. I'm sorry. Yeah, it was our epileptic network that disrupted our discussion. I'm sorry. Yes. So have you gotten the mango tree? Have you seen it? Yeah. Eh? I'm not hearing you. Speak out now. What? Now give me me. No! No! Frederick! No! Why?
Nani, is there a problem?
There is problem. Okay. There is problem. Hey! Why? Frederick said that he ran over a small boy. I don't know. Why would this kind of thing happen to us now? Why? Hey! He even said that he thinks that the boy is dead.
Why now? Why should this kind of thing happen to me now? Why?
Eche, get up now. Eche, wake up. Eche.
Fred!
Hey, Eche.
Fred! What happened? Fred! Hey! Hey! Eche! Fred! Come and see! Come and see!
Hey! Eche, get up now.
Eche!
Eche.
only brother is dead. I am standing at the middle of the road, nowhere to go, nowhere to go, nowhere to go. Eluwa tuariela mo, ewuchimo.
Life is unpredictable. Echezona was at my joint earlier today. We talked about his scholarship. We are supposed to be celebrating now, but he's dead and gone. Life is indeed unpredictable.
He was my only brother. He has always promised to study medicine and become a surgeon. Just when he got the scholarship, death took him away from me. Now, what will I do without him? God, what have I done to face this tragedy? What have I done?
It's okay. It's okay, my love. It's okay. God knows best. I promise. I will always be there for you. I promise.
Which is I was going after the man that thinks raped me when he got killed.
That Haverlis finally succeeded in raping you. I swear he will not go scot-free.
God. I should have just seen him. What have I done? This is bad.
Frederick, why are you tormenting yourself like this?
That's the point I'm talking about. I know that the herbalist was trying to rape me, but trust me, I don't think he's the one that did it. I took a necklace from the person that did it, just that I cannot find it.
Why are you defending that old wicked herbalist? He's the one that has been trying to rape you all this while, and we all know that.
I'm not defending him. I'm not. Alisa, promise me you will do nothing until we find the necklace, okay?
Eh? Why are you tormenting yourself, for goodness sake? Have you forgotten that this was an accident? And it was not your fault.
Dad.
Eh?
I know it was an accident.
Yes.
I feel so guilty over it. I felt I just killed that boy, that poor innocent boy. I felt I wasn't concentrating, I was on the phone. I killed him.
Look, Frederick, listen. Look, the deed has been done. And there's nothing we can do now to reverse it. So I'm appealing to you, please. Your father is appealing. Let's just forget it. Please.
That this is bad.
It is. But there's nothing we can do about it. Okay? It's alright. Have the heart of your man, okay? It's okay.
Alright. I promise. I will do nothing until we find the necklace. I will do nothing until we find the necklace. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
Afufuani sinatanenua Ewuchimo Chai Ifoni sinekabikanenua Ewo
Isi okuku for one chick or yeah. And I call him at the good girl. Can you see what you see? I don't know where that boy was looking, that he didn't see that car coming. Eh?
Mama, I feel so frustrated. Eh? I heard he was running after the man that raped his sister. My family is just full of bad luck, Mama. Just see how he ruined my day with his death. Oh, Mama Fred didn't even notice me. He didn't even look at me after all this effort I put in to dress up like this. He didn't even see me.
Wait, oh. Maybe that blind witch was trying to get back at us for what we did to her.
Mama, are you sure she has to go that far just to ruin her day?
You don't know witches. Witches are wicked people. They can go to any length to get what they want. A witch can even eat the baby inside her stomach, just to achieve her aim. One chick, look at where we are today. Hi!
Mama, he didn't even see me. He didn't even... Hi!
It's okay. It is okay. We are going to go back again. Return march. And this time around, you will look better. You get your high heel.
You have the guts. On this love of my life. You have the guts. You love the love of my life. I love anybody, but you love my love. I don't love anybody. You love. I don't love anybody.
Mazi, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. You're already here. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
I was even about sending for you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Well, we did not hear from you nor your son, so we decided to come and find out if everything is okay.
Oh, you did well. Everything is all right.
Thank God.
Yes.
And what about our Obodoyibo?
Oh.
Our Obodoyibo doctor?
Yeah, he's fine. He's fine.
Okay.
Just that he's not around now.
Hey.
Yeah, but he will soon be back. Oh.
In which case we will stay and wait for him.
That is good. So let's go and have a seat together. Come on, sit down. Hi, my daughter-in-law. Sit down. No, sit. Sit down. Let me get you something to suck. You don't have nothing. I hope you enjoyed the drink.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Very good. Look, my son came home from abroad with a lot of gifts. A lot of drinks assorted. Eh? Look, you are yet to enjoy wonderful things from here. Hmm? Welcome. You are not saying anything. I hope the drink is fine.
No, it's nice.
Very good. Hi. Here he comes. Fred.
Yes, Dad.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Dad.
Meet Madam Agnes and her beautiful daughter. The very girl I've been telling you about.
You're welcome.
Yes.
She looks so beautiful, as you said.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And you too, Mama.
Oh, nice to meet you too.
Fred, what is this all about? This is the wife that I've been talking about. Your wife to be. No, Frederick. I expected you to be excited. And you needed to sit close to her.
Dad.
Listen. Do what is supposed to be done. Do it. Do the right thing at the right time. Sit close to her, then you know her the more.
I'm in the mood for this, please. I'll talk to you later, please. Later, Mama.
Fred!
Everything is okay.
No, everything is okay. Sit down. Take your drink now. Eh? Drink. Or do I get you the bitter one?
No, I'm okay. It's lily. I'm okay, thank you, sir.
It's alright.
My love, please, don't ever try to cook again. Okay? You can't cook in this condition. Besides, I'll always be here to prepare food for you, feed you, help you out. So, don't try to cook next time, okay?
I know, but how long will you continue to do this for me? I need to get used to being alone.
My love, you are not alone and you will never be alone. I will always be there for you, okay? In fact, once I'm done feeding you, I'll pack your things. You are moving in with me.
What?
Yes, we are going home together.
What about your mother and your sister? Huh?
Don't worry about my mother and my sister. I will take care of them.
Are you sure you're doing the right thing? I don't want trouble, oh. Pico.
My love, you are my priority number one. I will take care of that, okay? It's okay, my love. Take water, no?
Oh, that is true love. Even if you have the fame, even if you have the wealth, even if you have all it takes to get the love.
Frederick! What was that all about? Eh? What do you mean by that you were not in a good mood?
Dad, what is it you don't understand?
I don't understand anything.
I said I'll talk to her later.
You will talk to her later! Eh, Frederick? Let me remind you, it was because of this girl that you came back from abroad. You hear me? So why are you all of a sudden cold about her? Why? Frederick, why? May I ask you, where were you this morning? Where were you this morning? Because I looked for you everywhere. I couldn't find you. Don't tell me you went again to see that blind girl.
Of course that I went to see her.
What?
Only for me to get there, I just realized that she's only one at home with no one to help her. That, you know, she's just a poor blind girl. And I knocked down the only brother that was helping her. Now, with due respect, let me ask you, Dad. How will she survive now?
Oh. So it was all about her, Frederick. Eh? It was all about her. Now, my son, listen. I thought we had settled this issue. Yes. This boy has been buried. So what more are you looking for in that compound? Frederick, I have appealed to you as a father. Get married and leave this country.
Dad.
Go abroad.
Dad, I'm sorry. I'm more concerned about this girl now. This whole marriage issue just afterwards.
Frederick! Frederick! You don't mean it. You can't be serious. You can't pull my leg. You cannot pull my leg. You want me to be disgraced in this town? It's a lie. You can't do that. After making me, after letting all the people concerned about this money.
I'm afraid he wasn't happy when he saw me. Mama, maybe he doesn't like me. Or am I not beautiful enough for him?
Kiko, now Koyeli, his mood has nothing to do with you. Maybe someone upset him from where he was coming from. Besides, wasn't he the one that told you you're beautiful?
Mama, he said that, but Mama, are you sure? Are you sure? I don't want to lose him, Mama.
Hey, lose what? I can't lose. You're not losing him. The father is in support. You've been performing. You're a beautiful girl. Lose his You're a package of beauty. Hey, you think Fred doesn't have eyes? I saw the way he was looking at you. Hey, it's okay. What?
Mama, wait. Mama, you seeing what I'm saying?
Okay.
Mama, Olisa is bringing that girl to our house.
I see.
Mama, it's not possible.
Yeah. Olisa, where do you think you're going with that girl? That witch. Please take her out of this compound.
Mama, first and foremost, she's not a witch.
Can you imagine?
Her name is Chibugo, and she's here to stay with us.
Stay with Tonya? Stay with who? Nah, Kangwasiagi. Ina asia sichilozo. It is not possible. Asichilozo kinasi. You will take this woman out of this my house, else you will kill me in this compound.
Please, take me out of here. I can't bear this anymore, please.
Relax. You're going nowhere.
Mama, she's here to stay and that's fine now.
Yeah, relax, sir.
Mama, not possible. This thing cannot stay in this house.
Oh, say
relax. Take her back, oh. Take her back, oh.
I respect.
Stop. Why you your back?
If you touch her again, I'll kill you.
My love, go.
Mama!
My love, go!
Mama!
Olisa!
Mama!
It's not possible! It's not possible! Olisa!
Mama!
Olisa!
I'm warning you!
Olisa, I'm getting...
Mama!
Olisa!
Okay.
Olisa!
Mama!
Come on, leave it! Olisa, naked you walk on food!
Mama!
Hi!
Mama!
Olisa!
Mama!
Mama, after all she did to me!
Which? Okay, enter now. Baby, Enter! Baby, enter!
Mama, are you watching him take her inside?
Go inside and fight them now! When I'm here, I go inside and fight them. Nonsense! This one is herself. He don't even know the Sabonyala.
Olisa had the guts to burn your clothes because of that blind girl. Because of that blind girl. This is unbelievable.
The witch has bewitched my son. My first seed. The boy that I carried in my womb for 10 good months before I delivered him. He has turned against me.
Listen. Don't touch any palm wine here. Are you listening?
Wait, are you dragging my palm wine?
It's not your palm wine, it's our palm wine. It's family business.
I don't like this, no. I don't like this. Allow me to drink now. Allow me to drink now.
Be careful.
No customer. They're not coming. So allow me to drink.
You want to drink? I warned you never to step your foot into this place again. What are you doing here?
Olisa, this is our father's property. So it belongs to both of us, not only you. So you cannot stop me and do my business here. Stop crying. It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. You know your son. You know Ibekwe. They must pay for this. Olisa, you must pay for this.
Ibekwe, the thunder that will fire you will come from Amadioha's shop. I know what your problem is. You're suffering from overfeeding, but no problem. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I'm warning you before Mama now. If I see you anywhere around that shop again, I will behead you. If you are a man, cross this line. Do you know how much I'm losing?
Like a man if you are one. You can't come to my house unexpectedly, fighting and accusing me of a crime I knew nothing about. Come on, let us settle it once and for all. Olisa, I will cut you to pieces. Nonsense. Olisa, come out. You can't come to my house unexpectedly, fighting and accusing me of a crime I never knew about. Come out. Animal. Scallywag. You're a bizaga. Come out. Nonsense.
So you have the guts to show your ugly face here. After
which ugly face? Come out, Olisa! You're a scallywag, a bizaga, idiot, and nincompoop. Come out! I'll cut you into pieces. Rubbish.
You diabetic old fool again. So you have the guts to show your coconut face in my face after all you did. Ugly rapist.
It is you and your entire family that are rapists. I know I admire the girl, but I did not rape her. It is you, your grandfather, everybody in your compound that are raping. I will cut you into pieces.
My grandfather?
Yes!
My grandfather?
Only say you, your grandfather, and all of them are rapists.
So you're here to fight me with a cutlass?
Not only to fight you, I want to cut you into pieces. I'm here for you today. Nonsense.
Please, I'm coming, sir.
You don't know who I am. Are you running? Don't run! Pepper soup, on a bugisi, pepper soup, palm wine. I got my come to ever tata, come to come and go on. Come in away, you Lisa. Hey,
get out of my house. Your sister, listen, just leave my son alone. You sit down your back, I'm going to burn it. Mama, what are you?